Have you ever wondered how your computer prints documents, photos, or bills? The device responsible for this is called a printer, an essential output device that produces information on paper. This physical copy is also called a hard copy. A printer is an output device that prints text and graphics onto paper. Printers are classified into two main types: impact and non-impact printers. Each works differently and has unique advantages. Let's dive into what makes them different. First up, impact printers. These printers work mechanically. They physically press a character shape directly onto the paper, leaving an impression. Kind of like an old-school typewriter. The most common type of impact printer is the dot matrix printer. You've probably seen these in action without even realizing it. Dot matrix printers are very cheap and are still widely used for printing things like invoices, bank statements, and utility bills. Their printing speed is pretty decent, ranging from 50 to 500 characters per second. The downside? They produce poor print quality, and they make a lot of noise while printing. Here's a fun fact for you. The very first high-speed printer was developed way back in 1953 by Remington Rand for the UNIVAC computer. Now, let's talk about non-impact printers. As the name suggests, these printers print without physically striking the paper. This makes them much quieter and faster than their impact counterparts. There are two main types you'll encounter. First, we have inkjet printers. These use cartridges filled with liquid ink. They work by spraying tiny droplets of ink through extremely fine nozzles directly onto the paper to form text and images. Inkjet printers are quite affordable and are the perfect choice for home and small office use. The second type is the laser printer. These are a bit more complex and work similarly to a photocopying machine, using a laser beam to create an image on a drum, which then transfers toner onto the paper. They produce high-quality prints at very high speeds, making them suitable for large-scale businesses that need to print a lot of documents. While they are more expensive than inkjet printers initially, they provide professional-grade printing that's hard to beat. So, a simple way to remember is inkjet for home and small offices, laser for large businesses. Alright, let's summarize what we've learned. Impact printers, like the dot matrix, are mechanical, noisy, and cheap, best for things like bills and statements. Non-impact printers, like inkjet and laser, are quiet, fast, and provide high-quality prints for everything from family photos to professional business reports. Printers are essential output devices that help us transfer digital information to paper, making documents, invoices, photos, and reports usable in the real world. So, now you know exactly how your computer brings information from your screen to a piece of paper using different types of printers. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech explanations. See you next time.